Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Muhammad bin Qasim. As you can see, he had formed his empire between 712. As you can see, I request you guys to have a look my playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers. Initially, he was the king who had imposed the jizya tax upon non-Muslims, that is, whoever is not adopted the Muslim, whoever like Brahmins and Hindus are to pay the taxes of, that is jizya. He is the person who had imposed jizya in India. The Arab Senapati, who was the son-in-law of Al-Izaz. You have to remember, he is one of the Arab Senapati and the son-in-law of Al-Izaz. In 711, Al-Izaz was sent the ship filled with gold and gifts. That ship was looted by the thieves. As you can see, in 711, Al-Izaz was sent, as you can see to the right of this, whatever the ship has been sent, that consists of gold and gifts that has been looted by various thieves. So that was one of the main reason why the invasion of Qasim has taken place. The truth, whatever we should know, medieval era, Raja Dahir and Muhammad Qasim, what led Qasim to attack on India. So after that incident, whatever the gold have been looted by the thieves and local thieves, that resulted first Arab attack on India in 712 AD on Sindh. So during that time, King Dahir was present and his wife was adopted Johar Prat. Once post attack, Dahir was defeated by Muhammad Qasim. Post death of her husband Dahir, then the wife was fell down in Agnikund, that is known as Johar Prat. So that initially she was the king who had fired herself and she was fell into the Agnikund. As you can see, Rani Padmavati, the same thing whatever has been done, so the same thing was happened with the wife of King Dahir. Son was forced to adapt Islam. Whoever the son of Dahir, he was forced to adapt Islam. As you can see, Raja Dahir, the last Hindu ruler of Sindh. First Khalifa, that is Ali Ahmad, was written the book. The book's name was Chachnama, which deals Arabs invasion, and Muhammad bin Qasim, whose name is Muhammad bin Qasim a Thaqafi. It is the full name of Muhammad bin Qasim, and as you can see, fought over Jai Singh and the wife and two daughters, Parimala Devi and Surya Devi. So he had a great fight between Muhammad bin Qasim and the Jai Singh. So Jai Singh was defeated by Muhammad Qasim, whose wife as well as two daughters were captured. Those daughters named Parimal Devi and Surya Devi. These are the two daughters, and one and killed more than 6,000 members whose age is more than 17 years in that village. So this was the greater massive massacre which was occurred during the time of Muhammad bin Qasim. He forced to adopt the Islam and charged jizya. So after the taking over that city, he had forced the people to adopt Islam. Otherwise, he has charged more jizya upon the people. He was converted the various branches of social and cultural life of books were translated into Arab languages. What happened is, what are the books and culture knowledge, it has been translated into the Arab for the benefit of the people of Muslims. The Qasim was cheated by the second Umar Qasim and called him to his place and killed. There were two situations which were exist how the Qasim had been killed. In among that, Umar Qasim had called him to come to his court, and Umar Qasim killed Qasim, so which was the one taken place. And the story of the daughters of Jai Singh, whoever Parimal and Surya Devi, so they have cheated Suleiman by telling that we had already we have already given our life towards Qasim, and so this resulted Suleiman's angry that he killed Qasim by dragging to the chariot. So by the time he had come to the place, he was fully hurt and died. The main reason of invasion over India by Arab is due to the plundering wealth and proposition of Islam. I told you that is the main reason why the Muhammad Qasim has come, because whatever the wealth had been transferred through the ships and all, it has been looted by the local one, that resulted in attacking over the India. Muhammad bin Qasim was invaded Sindh due to the reason of stopping the Arab traders. So during that time Arab traders were stopped, that also one reason to attack over India. So these are the few things which I have compiled from various sources and books. So this will help you a lot. If you want a PDF of 2100 GK and GS, you can call me on 7666 730 252. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.